Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you how to link menu to section in WordPress Elementor. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks. And it helps me to make this type of helpful video for WordPress users and WordPress learners as well. Okay, let's get started. Very first thing is, let's check which we are going to do in this tutorial. This is my website and currently I visit the home page. Very first, it has a main navigation menu, home, on, about us, alerts, blog and contact. Then the hero section, if you scroll down, then it shows different type of section. Okay, if you click on this main navigation item like about us, you can see it redirects to another page. Then again click another item like alerts, then it redirects to another page. That means these items are connected with another page. But in this tutorial I want to show you, if you click this item, then it will not redirect to another page, just it will be connected in another section in the same page. Okay, so very first we have to remove the links. So go to the admin dashboard and hover over on appearance, click on menus. So select the main navigation menu or primary menu. Then this is the menu item. So we have to remove this item. That's why these items are connected with another page. Okay, but our goal is we want to connect this item in different section in the same page. So just to remove it, select and remove this item. Okay, then the home. Okay, then again just we can keep home here. So view all, and this is the home front page. Okay, then the custom link, click here. Then URL will be like hash and link test. Just we want to give like here categories. Okay, then add to menu. Then again link will be hash and text like pricing. Add to menu. Then the again URL will be hash and like location, our location, text will be our location. Add to menu. Then finally latest blog, right here, latest blog. And URL will be hash. Okay, add to menu. Just drag and drop and rearrange it. Categories I want to give like very first will be okay, categories our location, pricing and latest blog. Select primary and save menu. Go to the website and refresh it. Okay, you can see the page, these items are not connected anywhere. Okay, that's why already I have removed the pages. Now we have to connect this item to different section in the same page. So we have to edit the page with Elementor. Edit with Elementor. Okay, scroll down and like select this section. Okay, this section, then navigate to the advanced tab. Just scroll down, then you can see CSS ID. You have to give ID here like categories. I want to give our categories. It will be the ID. Okay, this is the categories, not classes, it will be ID. Okay, our classes. Then again scroll down. Okay, publish it. Then scroll down and like this location, so select it and I want to give ID here, just location. So navigate to the advanced tab and give ID location. Okay, location. Then again scroll down and this is the pricing. I want to give like here ID will be pricing. Then the finally latest blog. Okay, this ID will be latest blog. Okay, then publish it. You copy this ID and go to the admin dashboard. Okay, this is the menu. So latest block, we can edit it. Click this down arrow, and previously I have given the URL hash. Now here we have to give the ID like hash, then the paste the ID. This is the latest block. Okay, then the pricing, this is the pricing. Copy this ID, just scroll up, then this is the ID, copy and give here. Okay, then the location, just scroll up and copy this ID. This is the location. Go to the menu and just paste here hash, then the location. This is the ID. Then the categories, scroll up, and this is the category. Copy it, then paste here. Okay, then scroll down and save menu. Refresh the page. Okay, remove the hash from the home page. Okay, click here this categories. Okay, you can see it redirect to the different section in the same page. Then again click here our location, it goes to another section. And pricing, okay, you can see it goes to the pricing section. And finally latest block. Okay, it works perfectly. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks.